I'm sure there's hundreds of videos on YouTube of people opening their consoles, but just in case you haven't seen one and you want to have a look, here's another. So I obviously wanted to get a game to play. So that's going to be the first one. What I'm wondering is install time and download time. Hopefully it's faster. Okay, so this is actually quite heavy. And what I do like though is you have these little tabs rather than tape. Let's just hope it doesn't. Look at that. Makes the box look real nice afterwards. I like that. Big halo dude on the back. Awesome. Can't wait for that to come out. Seems like as soon as I have a new box, all the cats are coming out. Alrighty. Oops. I didn't realise they could come off. Even better. So I did order the Xbox and the PlayStation, but unfortunately I didn't get in the first group of the PlayStations. Alrighty, let's have a look at this guy. Oof. It opens up from the bottom, which is a bit retarded. Power your dreams. Looks pretty cool. Let me just pop this down. Lift it up. So, all that's in the box is your little controller info. Okay, so that's where the box was. I'm guessing this is where all the cables and stuff are. Now, actually, I'm quite happy that there's no giant brick this time, but I'm guessing that it's built into this bad boy, obviously. But I do like that because it always gets caught up behind my TV and everything like that. Console, to be honest, I'll probably just use my Scorpion one, but oh yeah, same. Not too bad. Feels nice though, especially with the rougher grips on the back there. Okay, get your little instructions. So now we're gonna actually look at the bit that we all want to look at. So I don't know if this is the bottom. I'm hoping this is the bottom, so I'll put it the right way up. Okay. So it's definitely quite tall, you can see. Let's slide that off. You told you all the cats like the boxes. Hey, Misty. Ooh. Don't get me wrong, I thought it was more effects on the ads and stuff, but yeah, it doesn't look too bad. Okay, so we got the back here. To be honest, nice and neat. I'm guessing that's where you can plug in your additional bits and pieces. Normal plugs. And that's the front. Wow, it's quite nice. Just for a size reference, got a little book. Huge. And now I did ask the boys at the shop because I'm not a fan of upways consoles. I always learned that you lay them down. This can be laid down. Oh, yep, it's got that little logo there. And then you can sit it that way. And you've got your little stand for when you have it upright. I don't really know which way I'm going to have it. I still have to take everything out to reorganize it. But it's definitely nice, but it's definitely big.